everybody. Welcome to Saturday edition of Decorate Your Life stuff. I know my day Sunday is the day I film, but I had to bring this to you. I could not wait. Could not wait till Sunday just in case you want to purchase it and craft along. So remember we were working in, this is a separate project, we were working in the 3-ring bound journal because we knew it was going to get big quick. So I'm still working on this. Just want to remind you of this and the other project, which was called the hurricane binding, and we're still working on that one as well. In fact, we've got several different items that we're doing with this collection because I just went down the rabbit hole. It's just too cute. So we got this one, and then we got this one, right? And then we're going to have a third one, and I'm going to introduce you to the third one right now or here in just a second. So stay tuned because I've got two ideas for it, one of which are involving those postcards that came with the kit. Now, these, you'll have to check to see if these come in the digital. I know the 8.8 by 8.25 by 8.25 do, and I'm not sure about these. So check her channel out. While you're there, use your 15% off and do all your shopping at once so you get the 15% off the entire purchase. On sale stuff, not on sale stuff. Just go spend a day in Sandi's shop, and you don't have to leave your home. You just go shop online, use my code, have a really good time, and get yourself a beautiful collection to work with. Actually, I would say the Nestled in Spring and then this one also work so good together. And then you're definitely going to want what I'm about to show you. But anyhow, remember when we talked about making these and being able to add stuff to? So I thought I was going to try something different, and I still may. The jury's out because remember, these come out. I'm still playing with this idea. These will actually lift out, and I was thinking if I can about making a flip out inside these, since we wouldn't interfere with this part up here. And then now I'm going to get to the fun part. So keep this whole idea in mind, right? Because then you can flip this page over and you've got that page. Then you can flip this page over. Sorry about that. Like I said, I haven't put them together yet because I was kind of concerned about the fit, right? So then this one will flip over, and then we have one for here, a different one for here. So I was working on that, and then the length ones too will work. See, you're going to get a little bit of a variety, but I'm still working on that. And if it doesn't work out well, we've got Plan C, which goes with our beautiful add-on. And our beautiful add-on is right here. You get 8 pages, okay? You get 2 of each design, and you're going to look for Besties, the Fussy Cut Companion Pack to Spring Cottage Blooms. That's what you're going to be looking for. These are going to be the four pages that you get, and then you get 2 of each. And what do they look like? Oh my gosh, they are cute. Look at the little girl. I've been going through them, kind of flipping them around, eyeballing, and see what goes with what. But these would absolutely be beautiful with the kit. These would be beautiful standalone, make your own. You could do a Besties journal, which is what I'm going to show you. You could make Mother's Day cards. You could make get well cards. You could make congratulations cards. You could do all kinds of birthday cards, not birthday cards, birthday invitations, which is what I thought these would be cute for as well. So go get over there and get as many things as you can. So that is the add-on kit and my idea was to take this journal I got from the Dollar Tree and then do one of the postcards that says, "This is my happy place." And bada bing, bada boom, you've got the start of a beautiful journal, and I'll embellish the front. And then you open it up, and then our little peoples will go on the bottom corners. And you'd have to skip a few pages, and then while you're skipping a few pages, you can go over to that other kit that I was telling you about. I have some leftover pieces here that I printed on large. You could fussy cut those, which match just fine. These would also go with the kit. These were my extra prints. You could do the kite, you could do the eggs, little baskets. What else was in here that was, oh, the little, there's not one in here. I had to show you the other journal. The little wagons with flowers. All of that would go really well with all of this. So I myself would order 2 of these. 2 packets, and then you have 4 of each. And then use your 15% off. Because once you get started, I'm telling you, you're going to be like, oh, I wish I'd ordered more. Or if you order them and find you're running out, then go ahead and quickly get your other order in, because I have a feeling Miss Sandy's going to be busy and things are flying off her shelf with this one. So cute as a button, I'm telling you. Then I'm going to encourage that you drop down below in the description and visit with the other designers, because Lord only knows they are going to make such cute things. You guys, I'm telling you, you can go any direction you want with this, but that's why I got the book. I bought the book specifically to work with this collection, and I can't wait to show it to you when I'm done. All right, so that being said, guys, I'll see you tomorrow as well with our regular design team project share. Stay tuned and get over there quick while you still can and get these. And then if she is sold out, ask for more. All right. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.